Hi, my name is Corry Lang. I'm a certified regenerative detoxification specialist and iridologist, a yoga and meditation teacher, and a life and emotional health coach with more than 1,500 hours of coaching training. I help people to detoxify and cleanse and to regenerate their organs and body systems, as well as their mind and emotions. True healing is definitely possible. Our bodies always want to heal. I used to work in scientific research labs for 12 years. Among other things, we were looking for a cure for cancer. I've always felt that we're going about this all wrong though. Instead of pumping toxic chemicals into our body to fight disease, why not prevent disease? What causes disease? Why do we even get sick? We get sick when we are too toxic and acidic. We consume toxic foods, we're chronically dehydrated and stressed, and our environment is full of toxic chemicals and pesticides. If you have disease symptoms like nerve, muscle, or joint pain, high cholesterol, brain fog, fatigue, fibromyalgia, anxiety or mood swings, any signs of inflammation in your body, contact me for a free consultation. I will show you how to detoxify your body with biologically appropriate nutrition and herbal protocols. I discovered this method when I myself was very sick with the Epstein-Barr virus. The virus was attacking my organs, and doctors weren't able to help me. I completely healed myself with nutrition and herbal protocols. I have no more symptoms now, and I lost a bunch of weight as well. I studied and got certified as a regenerative detoxification specialist, and am now teaching others to heal themselves as well, without pharmaceuticals or expensive products. We will work together over the phone or Zoom or in person. And when you are ready to take back your health and take charge of your own healing, please contact me for a free consultation. I promise you won't regret taking that step.